Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. Dear students, in this class I am going to start last topic of this chapter, that is sum of first n terms of an AP. In this topic here we have to learn first sum finding formulas. If you understand these sum finding formulas, next you can easily solve problems in the exercise 1.3. Hence, first let us see the formulas one by one. First one, sum of the first n terms of AP is given by. It means to find sum of a given AP, we will use this formula. So concentrate the way of reading, children. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the way of reading the formula, children. I repeat again, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And here Sn means sum of numbers, n means number of terms, a means first term, n represent number of terms, and d represent common difference. And keep it in the mind, children, this formula we will use to find sum of given AP. And one more thing, this formula we can be used for any AP to find the sum. And let's see the next formula, children. If L is the last term of the finite AP, children, try to understand, they are talking about last term, and last term they are calling it as L. Of course, last term you can call it as AN also, don't forget that. So here they are calling last term as L. So when last term is L, try to understand, if there is a last term, it definitely finite AP. Then the sum of all terms of AP is given by the formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus L. I repeat again, children, Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus L. So here Sn represent sum of numbers, n represent number of terms, a represent first term, and L represent last term. And this formula we can be written like this also. As I said earlier, here last term they have taken it as L. In case if last term is, if you take an, then in the place of L here you can put an, just like this. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. And this once they asked in the examination, children. And next let us move on to the third formula. The sum of first n positive integers is given by. Keep it in the mind. This formula, I mean third formula, we have to use to find sum of positive integers. So especially first n positive integers, it means continuous natural number sum. To find, we use this formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into n plus 1. Children, I repeat again this formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into n plus 1. See, I recall you again, children. First formula we can be used in any case. To find sum of any AP we can be used this formula. Second formula we have to use only when last term is given. So if you don't know last term, again you wanted to use first formula itself, children. If last term is given, this formula can be used, the second one. And third one is used to find the sum of first n positive integer. It means here I'll give you an example here. If you want to find sum from 1 to 50 continuous numbers, you can use this formula. Otherwise, if you want to find sum from 1 to 100, you can use this formula. Otherwise, 1 to 1000, you can be used this formula. And these three formulas are very important, and definitely every year there will be a problem on the sum finding formula. Hence learn and practice very well. Next, let us move on to the exercise 1.3 children. So first main, find the sum of the following APs. It means they'll give you here APs and we have to find sum of those APs. See the first problem, 2, 7, 12, so on to 10 terms. So here A value is 2 children and D value usually we can find because second term and first term we have known here. And 10 terms means you have to find the sum of 10 terms. So carefully understand here 10 is the value of n because you are finding the sum of n terms. Hence, sum of n terms in the sense sum of 10 terms. Therefore, n value here is 10 children. So before going to use the formula, let us group the things children. See in this AP, first term is what? 2. Hence A is equals to 2. And let us find the D children. So D is equals to A2 by A2 minus A1. So substitute the values here children. So A2 value is 7 and A1 value is 2. So substitute. So we get 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2 means, so we get that is 5. So D value is how much children? That is 5. So now what about this 10? As I said earlier, 10 is the value of n. Now we have here A value, D value as well as n value. Now consider the sum finding formula. So as I said, we have 3 formulas. Which one you will select it? So look at the AP. So here these are not continuous natural numbers. So third formula you cannot be used. So and here last term we don't know. So here last term is not given. Only they said 10 up to 10 terms sum we have to find. So 10th term we don't know. So hence second formula you cannot be used. You have to use first formula itself. So that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values children. Okay, n values how much? It is here 10. So put it here 10. In the place of A, how much I substituted? 2 I substituted, and in the place of n I have substituted 10, and in the place of D that is 5. Now here we can cancel this children. See 2 1s and 2 5s we can. So and here 2 2s 4 we will get, isn't it? So 10 minus 1 is how much children? That is 9. Now 9 multiplied to 5 children, how much do we get? So we get that 45. See here. So 5, 4 and 45. And again you have to solve what is there inside the bracket first. So 4 plus 45 is 49 and the 5 you write it as it is. So 5 into 49. So multiply 5 to 49. So we get 245. So it is the sum of 10 terms of this AP. So this is the way of finding the sum children. So this kind of one problem definitely will be there in the examination, hence practice very well. Next let us move on to the another problem children. So second problem, minus 37 comma minus 33 comma minus 29 so on to 12 terms of this AP. Now already we have solved one problem. So try yourself for this problem children. So what is the A value here? So first term always represent A, hence A value is minus 37. So D na hege find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ? D is equals to A2 minus A1. So A2 value ellide? So A2 value is here. So minus 33 and A1 value is to minus 39. So substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ. So minus 33 and be careful here children. See this minus I have written as it is. ಈ minus ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. So A1 value ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ A1 value is minus 37. So bracket ಹಾಕಿ bracket ಒಳಗಡೆ minus 37 ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. I hope you have got it children. Next, this minus multiply to this minus. So minus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what you get? So we'll get it minus 33 plus 37. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Both the numbers having different sign. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 37. ಸೊ 37 ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ. therefore put plus symbol. So we get plus 4. So next n value. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? we have to find 12 terms sum. therefore n value will be what? that is 12. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ a value ಇದೆ, d value ಇದೆ, n value ಇದೆ. So easily we can substitute all these values in the formula. So formula na consider ಮಾಡಿ first. So here we have to take the formula that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ಈಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು 12 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ, a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ 37. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 37 ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 37 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಓದೋದು, 2a ನ 2 ಇಂಟು a ಅಂತಾನೆ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2a ಅಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ 2 ಇಂಟು a ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 12 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ d ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು 4 ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ 2 1s and 2 6s. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 37. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಇಂಟು 37 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 74 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 12 minus 1 is how much, 11. So 11 multiplied to 4 children, how much you will get? So you will get it that 44. So for next step ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 44 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, minus 74 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ 6 ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ. ಸೊ 6 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, minus 74, so plus 44 we have written as it is. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, inside the bracket what is that you have to solve. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ minus 74 ಇದೆ, plus 44 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ both are having different sign. ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 30 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು, 74 ಮುಂದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 30 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 6 ಇಂಟು minus 30 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 6 ಇಂಟು 3 18, 10 ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ 180 ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ minus 180. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 12 terms of this AP. So you have to understand like that. Okay, next let us move on to another problem children. So third problem, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, so on to 100 terms for this AP. So ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, d ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್, 0.6. ಸೊ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ, 0.6 ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, a2 minus a1. ಸೊ a2 is h2 1.7. ಸೊ a1 s2 0.6. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಒಂದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 1.7 minus 0.6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1.1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 100 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, 100 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸುಮಾರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದಿಸ್ 100 ಆಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ 100th ಟರ್ಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ the 100th term value, therefore 100 is n value it is still. So next let us use the formula. So same formula ne barkoli. So this is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ಈಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 100. ಸೊ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ is 100. ಸೊ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 0.6. ಸೊ 0.6 write it in the bracket. So n value again it is 100. So d value is 2, d value is 1.1, that we have found it here. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ 100 ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 2 1s are 2 and 250 is ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 2 ಇಂಟು 0.6 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 2 6 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ 1.2 ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 100 minus 1 ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ 99. ಸೊ 99 multiply to 1.1. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ 108.1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾರಿ 108.9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಈಗ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗೆ, 108.9 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 1.2 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, and then you have to write 50. So write all these values children. So just like this. So next what you wanted to do, so you want to add these two terms. So ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 1.2 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವೀಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 108 ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 108. ಸೊ 0.9 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 2 + 9 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 11 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1, ಸೊ 1 is carry over. ಸೊ 1 + 1 is 2, 2 + 8 is ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore it is 0. ಸೊ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ 1 + 0 is 1. ಸೊ this 1 is as it is. ಸೊ 110.1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ write that 110.1 here. See this. Next 50 multiply to this. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, as it is ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಾಟ್ we will get it is 5000 505. So this is a sum of these AP up to 100 terms. So next let us move on to another problem, children, and this is the last problem of this video, and it is the last problem of the first map. So ನೋಡಿ problem ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. So 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on up to 11 terms. So find out ಮಾಡಿ values. A value is 2, so 1 by 15. So D value is how much? A2 minus A1 formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So A2 is how much here? 1 by 12. A1 is how much, children? That is 1 by 15. So this you wanted to do it. So what you wanted to do here now, as I already said in my earlier videos, so you wanted to multiply the denominators. So 12 into 15. So 12 into 15 is how much? 180. See, 180. And do the cross multiplication. 1 into 15 is how much? 15. I have written 15 here. Next 12 into 1 is how much? 12. So you have to write 12 here. So next what you wanted to do here is 15 minus 12. You subtract it. How much you will get? 15 minus 12 is 3. So we'll get 3 by 180. Again here cancellation is possible. Cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 ones and 3 6 18 and 0 as it is. So we will get it 1 by 60. So this is the value of D, children. And what about 11? So 11 term sum you are going to find. Hence n value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 11 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next you consider sum finding formula, children. So that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute all the values. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ values ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿ. So a values this, substitute in that, and D values here we have 1 by 60, substitute this, and n value here we have that is 11, substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. See, n values 11 and a values 1 by 15, take it in a bracket, and n values again 11 and D values 1 by 60. If you want 1 by 60 also you can write it in bracket, not a problem. Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So this you cannot be done anything, let it be as it is. So here 2 multiply to this numerator one. So here you will get it 2 by 15, and here you will get it how much? 11 minus 1 is 10. So 10 multiply to this. So here you will get it that 10 by 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And here you will get it that 2 by 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And this you write it as 11 by 2, you write it as it is 2 by 15, as well as 10 by 60. So these numbers you have to write for the next step. So look at here, 11 by 12, 2 by 15, 10 by 60. And one more thing here, you can again cancel, children. See, 10 ones and 10 six. This also you can be done just like this. Now you know how to remove the bracket. You wanted to solve this. So solve it. 15 6 is how much? 90. And do the cross multiplication. 2 6 how much? 12. And 15 ones are 15. 12 plus 15 is 27 you will get. Now again this cancellation is possible, children. So 27 and 90, these are, 27 is multiple of 9, 90 also multiple of 9. So 90 will cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 9 3s are 27 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and 9 10s are 90. So what do we get it here? 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. So no cross cancellation is possible here. 11 and 10 will not be cancelled, 2 and 3 will not be cancelled. So what you will do is numerator into numerator. So 11 into 3 is how much? 33, and 2 into 10 is how much? 20. So 33 by 20. So this is the sum of 11 terms of this AP, and this is a way of solving these kind of the problems when last term is not given. In case last term is given means we wanted to go for the second formula. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Yes, this formula can be used for to find sum of any AP. So better always you go through this formula. Dear students, I hope you have understood these problems. In the next class we come up with second mind problems. Thank you.